So today I will discuss the problem from the multiplexer. So here the problem is that first we note down the problem. Implement the following. Following function using a multiplexer. Here the function is that f of ABCD equal to summation 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. In this problem, the function is f of ABCD. So here there are four variables, four inputs A, B, C, D. These are the input, and this summation sign indicates that the function is in its mean term, or you can say the SOP, sum of product. So here in this case, whatever the points 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, and 15, on this point the function value will be 1. So by using the, you can see here the inputs and output. So here the inputs are A, B, C, D, and output is suppose Y. So here it is. By using the four combination ABCD, here it is first 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0. Next is 0, 0, 1, 1. Next combination is 0, 1, 0, 0. After that, again 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Same combination will be repeated here. So 0, 0, then 0, 1, then again it is 1, 0, then again 1, 1. And these points are 1, 1. And these all are 0, 0, 0. And here it is again 0. After that, this is 1, and all are 0, 0. Again, same combination will be repeated here. So it is 0, 0, 0, then again 0, 1. 0, 0, then 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. These all are zeros. After that, this is 1 and 0, 0. Then again it is 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. These all are 1. and these are 1, 1, 1, again 1, 1, 1, 1. So these are the possible combination by using the 4 variables. Okay. Now here you can see this is the this is the decimal value for 0. This is for 1. Here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is binary for 14. This is for 14. This one is for 15. Now from the function we can see here at the place 0, 1, 3. This is main term. Main term means it is 1. So at the place 0, 0 means here it is. So it is 1. Then at the place 3, it is 1. At the place 4, it is 1. Next is 0, 1. At the 1, it is also 1. At the place 1, it is 1. Then 0, 1, 3, 4. After that, 8, 9, 15. So at 8 position, it is 1, 8, 9, and 15. So 8, after that 9, and at last at the 15. This is 1. Rest all other points, it will be 0. The value of the function is 0 at other all points. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. To rest all points, it is 0. 0, 0. This is the truth table for the given function. Okay. Now, when you design the function by using the multiplexer, so first, if the number of input variable if the number of input variable equal to n, then the number of selection input will be n minus 1, and the given marks will be, the marks used will be, the marks will be 2 to the power n minus 1 is to 1 or cross 1. So here in this case, as we can see, the number of variables are A, B, C, D, the number of input variables A, B, C, D. So here the number of input variable n equal to 4. Same the number of selection input. So it is 4 minus 1, that is 3. And 2 to the power, oh, wait a second, this is 2 to the power n minus 1. Here it is 2 to the power n minus 1. Your marks will be 2 to the power n minus 1 is to 1. So 2 to the power n minus 1 means 2 to the power 3. N minus 1 is 3 is to 1. That is 8 is to 1 marks will be used here. Okay. Now, when we design the 8 is to 1 marks, that means here the number of inputs will be 8 and the number of outputs will be 1. Okay. So if it is 8 is to 1 marks or 8 cross 1 marks, so number of input will be 8. So suppose the input is here D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. These are the 8 number of inputs and single output is there. Single output, suppose F or Y, whatever. And how many selection line for the 8 marks? It is 3 selection lines. Suppose selection lines are S0, S1, and S2. 3 selection lines are there. In this problem, whatever the function A, B, C, D, 4 variables, in these 4 variables, we can take any 3 as the selection input. So here, we can take either A, B, C, D or A, B, C, any 3 as a selection. So suppose in this case, we take B, C, D as the selection. If we take B, C, D as the selection input, in that case, here it is B, other selection input is suppose C, and this is connected to D. Okay. So here this is B, C, and D. These are the selection input. Now, how the input will be connected here? So suppose here whatever the inputs we have taken is D0, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. Okay. So this D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, these inputs will be selected and you are getting the output by this selection line BCD. When this suppose BCD is 0, 0, 0, then D0 will be output. If it is 0, 0, 1, then D1 will be output. If 0, 1, 0, okay, suppose I will show here, or wait a second. So by the BCD, by this BCD, your selection input, these are the selection input or select input, and your output, suppose F. So by using the selection input, you will select the output. So when it is 0, 0, 0, all 0, it is D0. For 0, 0, 1, your output will be D1 will selected. 0, 1, 0, D2 will be selected. 0, 1, 1, you have to follow the sequence. D3 will be selected. 1, 0, 0, and D4 will be selected. 1, 1, 0, D5 will be selected. Sorry, 1, wait a second. After 0, 0, the sequence is, after 0, 0, the sequence is 0, 1. Okay, so it is 1, 0, 1, D5 will be selected. And after this 0, 1, it will be 1, 0. Your D6 will be selected. And 1, 1, 1, your D7 input will be selected and you are getting this across the output. Now, when you select it, after that, the process is what? Here the 4 inputs are there, A, B, C, D. So 0 to 15 combinations will be taken here. 0 to 15 positions are there. And in this 0 to 15 position, you can say, see, from this 0 to 7, your A value will be 0. A value will be 0, that is A bar. And from 8 to 15, your A value is what? 1, that is A. So here we take at this side, it is A bar, and then it is A. So for the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 after 4. So after 3, there will be 4, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can see in the position from 0 to 7, from position 0 to 7, the A value is 0. A value is 0. Okay. So that is from 0 to 7, A value is 0 means A bar. And from 8 to 15, A value is what? 1. That is A. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 13. Okay. After that 14 and then 15. So on this point, the value of A is 1, that is A. Okay. Next process is that whatever the given function, this function is summation this means at this position it is the main term. Main term means at this position the value is 1. Means at 0, 1, 3 value is 1. 0, 1, 3, 4 value is 1. Whatever the 1 position, it should be circled. So 0, 0, then 1. You can also see in the from the truth table 0, 1, then 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. After that, 8, 9, 15. So next point is 8. All mean term or all the points where it will be 1, function is 1, it will be circle. So 8, 9, 15. 8, after that 8, there is 9, then 50. Okay. After that, the next process is if there is a circle in place of A bar and A both, that value will be 1. So here for the D0 position, we can see both A bar and A is circle. So here it is 1. Okay. Same in D1, both positions are circle. So it is 1. Okay. If for the D2 position, D2 input, both are not circle. So if the both are not circle, A and A bar both are not circle, it will be 0. Okay. In case of D3, here only A bar is circle and A position is not circle. So here the value will be A bar. Similarly, for the D4, also A bar is position is circle. So it is A bar. D4 is also equal to A bar. And at the D5 position, there is no circle. So if the no circle, then it is 0. If no circle, then 0. And in case of D7, the circle is in the place of A. So here it is, the value of D7 will be A. Okay. So by using this all value, we connect our final marks. So here your D0 will be 1, D0 value will be 1, D1 is 1, D2 is 0, D3 will be A bar, D4 will be A bar, D5 is 0, D6 is 0, and D7 will be A. So these things will be connected in the diagram. So for the connecting the diagram, we can take here, suppose there is A, A input, then not get, and this is the position for A bar, A bar. Then there is 1, okay, 1, and again there is not get, and this is the 0 line. Okay. So first you D0, for the D0 you can see D0 will be 1, D0 is 1, D1 is 1. So this D0 and D1 will be connected with one line. So your D0 will be connected with 1. D1 is also connected with 1, as we can see from the table. Next is D2 is 0. Your D2 is connected with 0 line. Okay. Next D3 is A bar and D4 is also A bar. So here this is A bar line. Your D3 will be connected with A bar and D4 is also connected with A bar. From the table we can see here connected with A bar. D3 and D4 is A bar. D5 is 0 and D6 is also 0. So this D5 is connected with 0 line and D6 is connected with 0 line. Okay. For D7, it is connected with A. So here this D7 is connected with A. So this is the complete diagram for the 8 cross 1 marks of given function. Given function is designed by using the 8 cross 1 marks. Okay. Hope all of you understand. Thank you.